Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import the AutoCAD file in 3ds Max. All right. You can import a .wg or .dxf file into 3ds Max. So just go ahead over to File right here at the top left. Now click on Import. Again, Import. Okay. Just click on it. Let's say you already have your CAD files. Now I have one in here. As you can see, the file extension is .wg. Or you can just click on it and make sure that it is highlighted and then just click on Open. Now you could go ahead and configure your import settings, okay, like the geometry, units, layers, spline rendering, or the weld. Okay, so just click on OK once you're done and wait for it to upload. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you import an AutoCAD file in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.